Alright, go ahead. I'm ready.
Mommy?
I got you.
Mommy, what's black and white and red all over?
I don't know.
Paper.
No.
What?
Zebra.
No.
Oh no. What up?
Skunk with a diaper rash.
Oh man! That's a good one.
Okay, you're going now? Whoa, that way? You okay?
Can I sit up?
Yeah. You need help?
That way.
Wait, this thing always falls on you. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. You do whatever you want to do.
Really good. Look at you.
It's right
There you go. That way?
a little more.
That way?
Yep.
Okay, go for it.
Go.
Oh my god!
Hang on. Yeah.
There you go.
Wait a minute. Wait, Bella's turn.
Sorry if I just...
My turn.
Come on,
Thomas, it's Bella's turn.
Come on around here, Thomas. Let Bella go. Just tell Sammy to move out of the way.
Move out of the way.
You need help, Bella, or are you okay?
Wait,
There's
there's snow?
snow. We can get you new pants when you get home too, or we can take you to your house actually.
Problems already?
Oh, there goes Thomas.
Hang on.
Whoa, Jesus.
Oh my god.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm gonna have to go home and change and then go get some oil.
Here goes Bella.
Watch it, here goes Bella.
You can hit the sled, don't worry about it. But not Thomas. Okay, you're alright.
Oh, Bella!
Sam, you forgot what you're supposed to be carrying. Yeah.